For this tutorial, I'm going to use 100% cotton thread, 2mm thick cotton, also a 2-stitch crochet needle, 2mm. I will start by making the sliding knot and leaving a little leftover wire here at the beginning. Next, I do 15 streams, and it can be more or less. After making the chains, I will jump a gully. Next time, I'll introduce the needle and get the thread. Step inside of the gully and the loop that was on the needle. I get a strap on the needle. Now I'm going to insert the needle into this strap here from the side. Right here. Then I will introduce the needle, and I will turn the piece this way. I will become loop and step inside a strap I have 2 handles on the needle. Tie again and pull the 2 handles. We then complete the first point. Now I'm going to insert the needle into 2 handles, here from the side, in this first loop, and on this strap, from below. So we're going to introduce the needle here. This way. You can even pull it up a bit with the tapestry needle to facilitate the insertion of the crochet needle. So here I introduce my needle, and I will turn the play again. After turning the piece, I'm going to lace, and I'm going to get these 2 little loops out. Of the needle, I will leave only one. We are again with 2 handles. Loop and shot, the 2 handles at once, forming the second point. I introduce 2 needle again on these handles here from the side. On these 2 handles, from top to bottom, it's with the crochet needle. Insurance. Then I turn the piece. After turning the piece, loop step inside of the 2 handles. And I'm back with 2 handles on the needle. I loop and pull the 2 straps. Again, let's insert the needle here in those 2 straps left on the side. And I turn the piece. Loop step inside 2 straps. I tie it again and pull out the 2 straps. And let's repeat this. Then I insert here on the side on the 2 handles. I turn the piece. You can't forget to turn around. Loop step inside 2 straps. Then I pull the last 2 straps. Insert in the 2 side handles. Man. Loop taking off 2 handles. Tie again, shot plus 2 straps. So we will repeat this movement until terms more or less than 15 centimeters away. So you will make there as much as you find needed for your part. And then we will continue, or step by step, Ready, staff. I made some here. Repetitions of that same point. And I will finish the piece now, doing the same number of chains I did in the beginning. In my case, there were 15 chains. I'm going to make 13 little chains, okay? To finish, cut the wire, leaving a little left over. Step inside of the last stream. And here at the end of this leftover wire, I'll put on the needle again. And I'll spend one ball here. Here, I will give you some knots. And I'll do the same there on the other side. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful crochet bracelet, super simple and very fast to do. I hope you enjoyed the result. If you liked, leave your like. Until more